This question says, using a calculator or otherwise, find the exact value of 7/8 plus 1/6 divided by 2/9. Now, and then whenever you are looking at a math video, you must always have your pen and your notebook ready to start writing to participate in the video. And that's how you'll be effectively learning as much as possible. So I'll give you some time to, or you can pause the video and write down the question. Now, close inspection of this problem, we see 7/8 plus 1/6 divided by 2/9. Now, we have to be very careful. We normally read from left to right. Now, we are looking at a plus and a division. And because we are reading from left to right, we may be tempted to do the plus first. But let's think of it a little bit. What do we do first? 7/8 plus 1/6 or 1/6 divided by 2/9? Which one do we do first? Division comes before addition. So therefore, as you correctly said, we have to do 1/6 divided by 2/9 before we can do addition. Division comes before addition. So you are very correct. So let's take a note of that. So a close look at the order of mathematical operations. Whatever is in the bracket, you do it first, then followed by exponent. If there is a power, you do it after, then followed by multiplication and division, or division and multiplication. They can be done interchangeably, but they must come after exponentiation, and they must come before addition or subtraction. So subtraction, addition, subtraction interchangeably, but addition, subtraction, or subtraction, addition must come after multiplication, division. So that is why now we have to do 1/6 divided by 2/9 first. So let's do that. So here we have 1/6 divided by 2/9. Now, when you are dividing fractions, you have to follow a rule called keep, change, flip. Keep means you keep the first fraction how it is, reading from left to right. So the first fraction is 1/6. So 1/6 remains 1/6. Change means you change division to multiply. And flip means you flip the second fraction. So we have to keep 1/6, change division to multiply, and flip 2/9 to 9/2. Okay? So 1/6 divided by 2/9. We're going to get 1/6. We keep it 1/6. We're going to change division to multiply, keep, change, and we're going to flip the second fraction. So it's 1/6 times 9/2. All right? And when you're multiplying fractions now, you multiply straight across. Okay? So therefore now, is numerator times numerator and denominator times denominator. Is 1 multiplied to 9 divided by 6 multiplied to 2. Okay. Therefore, we are going to get 9/12. 1 times 9 is 9, and 6 times 2 is 12. Now, 9/12 can be simplified because they both can be divided by 3. 3 is the highest common factor of 9 and 12. So we can simplify 9/12 by dividing both the 9 by 3 and the 12 by 3. Whenever you are simplifying fraction, both the numerator and the denominator have to change. So 9 divided by 3 is 3, and 12 divided by 3 is 4. So the answer, but remember we have to add to 7 over 8. We have not done that yet. But so far, we have 3 over 4. 1 over 6 divided by 2 over 9 is actually 3 over 4. Please take this down. So now we have calculated 1 over 6 divided by 2 over 9. We get 3 over 4. So therefore now, to complete the question now, we have to add the 7 over 8 to the 3 over 4. Because 1 over 6 divided by 2 over 9, see that whole thing there is 3 over 4. So it's 7 over 8 plus the 3 over 4. That's what we're going to do now. So it's 7 over 8 plus the 3 over 4. So please take this down. So therefore now, we have to find the lowest common multiple of 8 and 4, because when you add in fractions, you have to get the lowest common multiple of the denominator, or common multiple. It don't have to be the lowest one. A common multiple that both the denominators can go into. If we are dealing with 8 and 4, so both 8 and 4 can go into 8. Both 8 and 4 can go into 16. Both 8 and 4 can go into 24. Both 8 and 4 can go into 32. So we can use 8, 16, 24, 42, etc. But the lowest one now will be the most efficient one, and that will be 8. Okay, now we already have 7 over 8. So to get the denominator of 8 now of 3 over 4, we're going to multiply 4 by 2. And that will give us 8. But if we multiply the denominator by 2, for the fraction to remain the same, we have to multiply the numerator also by 2. Okay, so therefore now, you can call that unsimplifying the fraction or bringing it up. Okay, you can remember here we simplified 9 over 12 to 3 over 4 by dividing. We are going to unsimplify 3 over 4 by multiplying, doing the reverse. Okay, you can put it that way. Okay, or raising it up. 3 twos are 6 and 4 twos 8. So now we have a common denominator of 8. Okay, so 3 over 4 is the same as 6 over 8. Okay, so once the denominators are common, now we can maintain the common denominator and simply add the numerator. So 7 plus 6 all over 8. 7 plus 6 is 13. So we're going to have 13 over 8. 13 over 8 is what you call an improper fraction, which can be converted to a mixed number by dividing 8 into 13 goes once, and the remainder is 5 upon 8. Okay, so the answer, the final answer is 1 and 5 over 8.